You say you get all these anal people.
The blue looks sharp.
What a nice color.
Yeah,
Oh.
sharp.
Wow.
I like it.
Yeah.
I see a couple other blue ones here. So one of the things I want to show you real quick, remember I was talking about us using the production pieces as much as possible? Right. Production door trim, production rubber, everything like that. Because if you get a race car, none of them sound like this.
Yeah.
I love the GM doors.
Yep. Okay, so this is a certificate by NHRA. That tag right there, that shows that they certified this chassis to 8.5 seconds. No car leaves without it. Similar to those banners hung right up there.
Yeah.
There's one rolled up and it's in the back of your car right here.
Oh, we got a banner back here?
We got a banner just like that.
So excited.
Okay. In addition, the car cover I just took off your car,
Yeah.
there's one just like it in that bag right there. Okay.
Yeah, it says COPO on the car cover.
Just like the one I took off. Absolutely. So this is your COPO owner's kit.
Oh, wow. What a nice binder.
In it, another copy of your owner's manual,
Okay.
rule book. This is a
NHRA
copy
rule
of,
book.
yep, this is your certificate, a nicer copy of it. Behind it, that's your Frank Hawley drag racing certificate, like I was talking about going to the school. Now, we don't put this on the car because we understand some people are buying these cars not necessarily for themselves, they're flipping them or somebody else is buying them.
Right.
But with an alcohol wipe, right there to clean that off.
With the COPO number 09 to 69 with the name up. That's really cool. I saw that Charlie Malo had his on there, and I've never seen on any other COPO. And that's I'm going like, I wonder where he got that at.
We started it with 2016.
Wow.
Nice, very nice. This is like
It's official.
all the GM cars I bought. Like I never got this much attention.
Now your expectations are way higher, so.
I'm telling you.
Okay. Here's your Simpson racing jacket.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Very cool.
This actually has your serial number on it, and it has your model year on it.
Wow.
You want to go ahead and take it out?
You're gonna wear it all the way back to
Oh,
Florida?
I'm sure he will.
Well, that's why I let the customer take it out if they want to.
I could use a new racing jacket. It's COPO 2018. Nice Simpson jacket. Good thing I ordered my new pants.
Yeah, I know.
They'll be when I get home. I had to order a new set of pants for a new jacket.
All right.
That's what I'm.
Very cool. Very cool. Now I see why you just do like Fridays, because it's especially with somebody like me, it's a little.
Well, it's disruptive with the guys to move out of the way and stop working and everything, so we like to try to just do a month. Okay. In the glove box here, the USB connectors for your laptop.
Okay.
I sent you the information on how to download the Holley software. With that, you can data log with your car. You can change your calibration. We recommend you don't change your calibration unless you or
know what
somebody
you're
knows
doing.
what they're doing.
Like, you know, the tune, like on the Z06, you know, we had Jeremy do it, but I don't have anybody that can tune the drag racing.
I think I'm running out of battery.
All right, shut it down.
Okay.
Okay.
Shut it down.
In here, it's the other half of the dual quick connects for the intercooler. Let me show you one feature on the back I forgot to show you a while ago. Right here, this is a quick connect for your battery charger.
Okay.
So on here is the
Now
other.
this doesn't have an alternator.
It does have an alternator.
It does?
Yes.
Okay.
So in here is the other half of that connector. You'll take your alligator clips and clip them off.
This,
Put
go
that
back
on
here.
to fit
So
that.
if you use a standard battery charger,
Yeah.
just clip on it.
In here, So in addition, in there and in here is more information on the shifter, how to repack your parachute, all of that, contingency stickers.
Okay.
There's also another copy of your owner's manual. We think it's very important for you to have. There's those build sheets I was talking about, all the stuff the operators have done, everything they've done. Here is the official certificate from NHRA for your chassis that it's certified. Okay?
Do you have to show that at the track?
Nope,
Oh,
they'll
did
see
they-
that right there.
Okay, so I don't need to take the paperwork.
Nope, they'll see that right there. This last piece.
And how long is that certified for? Is
3
that
years.
3 years.
Either 2 or 3.
And then it just has to be recertified.
Yeah.
You get paperwork, that
Yeah.
paper.
Let's see.
Hey, Cam,
It says on here, I don't have my glasses on, I can't read that.
so we'll assume it's 3 years. Just take a couple snapshots on mine. Then just random around the car.
In addition, here's a sheet on COPO Parts Direct. This is,
Merchandise.
merchandise, also the parts. Okay, so a lot of our parts are available, engine parts are available from your Chevy dealer, but anything that isn't like that, let's say that you need something on your car, under a bolt sheared or something like that, you got that COPO Parts Direct, the phone actually rings out there, so they know exactly what you have, plus they have the stuff line-sided. Just inspection stickers.
Down here.
Yep.
somebody has it checked off.
Yep.
This and that.
Okay, so production car, you know how they have in the trunk, there's a release switch for kids to be able to do it? Well, we repurposed that. You made it back. Yes. Good deal.
Hey, Bob.
So we repurposed that here because your car has power windows, power trunk, and NHRA requires you cannot have access to where the fuel is. So you cannot get to the trunk, your batteries are in the trunk. If you have a lower dead battery, it's stuck. We repurposed that pull to right here. So you have a
that-
mechanical release also.
That pulls the trunk release?
Yes.
Okay.
You have an electric release, but this is a mechanical in case you would have a lower dead battery. Okay.
Yeah.
Do we need to close that back off?
No, it's a pull and
I got
it's
you.
just, yeah.
So don't put the gas in over here.
No. Right.
Bob would love to see the other building too.
Maybe later.
Yeah. So your fuel cell here, which is about 6 gallons.
6-gallon fuel cell.
Okay, maybe they got 3 in it now. Weight box, the 2 batteries.
Right.
The
Volt
chute.
meter up
Volt
here.
meter. Voltmeter tells you where your batteries are.
Yeah.
13 something. Okay. All right.
So your parachute right now.
And this push off. So if we have to, when we started, this gets to the out.
Yeah. This just turns off all power to the car.
So when it's in, it's all power.
Now the reason why that's there, okay? You don't have that on your road race cars, do you? You have it. Okay, so with drag racing, the difference is, here for a second. You're sitting in your car, you're strapped in as tight as you can be. You got your horse collar, your helmet, your gloves, your engine's on. You're focused on that Christmas tree, and something's leaking around the back. Okay. Now, if somebody wants to stop you, they're going to have to come up here. Tell you to shut it down. You're looking at the Christmas
I think I'd get up there.
turns
Yeah.
green, you go. This guy,
Yeah.
Not ready to launch.
so back there, anybody can turn the power off to the car. Okay.
And of course, that's
That's your certificate. Yep.
It has your name. it has
That's your
name on it.
certificate. To be honest with you, with the Gen 5s, they used to be larger.
Right.
But we didn't offer weight boxes at one time either. Now almost everybody gets the racers package, so we just went smaller. What we had a big one, somebody ordered a weight box over here. They said, peel that off and put another one on. It's just easier to put a smaller one on. Yeah, it's exactly like this. Okay, your parachute right now, it's in the blue jeep.
Huh? Heated?
It's coffee. It's coffee and very can punch it.
So there's a wire that goes
There's a
on here.
wire that
It's in the
sticks out.
packet.
Well, no, I'll show you. Here.
You're gonna pull the chute real quick?
He's been dying to pull the chute.
I want to pull the chute.
It won't pull with this clip on. You
Right,
gotta take
that's
that
the
clip
safety
off.
thing, is that remove before
Flight.
Flight.
So-
Yeah, I got that from there.
What we do is we reroute this. You stick it through there, and you take off your safety pins.
Ah.
So when you pull the chute handle,
It
this
pulls it.
wire retracts and your chute pops. But we leave it in the deployed position right now because that
Is the chute packed?
chute is
Right.
packed. It's in there ready to go.
And there's instructions how to,
Repack it. You should never have to pull the
unless
parachute
you lose your brakes.
unless you lose your brakes
Yeah.
on a short runoff track.
Right.
Most of the tracks you still be able to shut down.
Okay. But the piece you said is in there to hook onto here?
No, it's not.
No,
what
you
you're doing
didn't- yeah,
is
you're
you
just
take
putting
it
that in
right
there like
through
that.
those openings and take off your safeties.
Oh, okay, I get it. So
then when
there's
you
no
pull-
other, there's no extra piece?
No,
on
no.
this thing.
Once
It's
you
just this-
run through there, there's 4 eyelets that'll
Gotcha.
open up.
Oh, so you put it through all 4 or just this 2? Just the outside. The outside
yeah,
2?
yeah, just like this. Yeah,
Okay,
the
just
two.
like this
Yeah.
rope is.
Yeah, but let me pull
Right.
this again.
So
I
this-
don't want that wire
Right,
sticking
so
out.
the
And there's a big
string.
spring in there.
Just pull the chute real quick, and we'll find out.
Oh, I see, it went back in now.
Yeah,
that's
the
when
spring
they
is actually behind the parachute.
Where's the parachute?
I'll show you when we get to the inside
Yeah,
the car.
I'm down.
We'll do all that with you when you're in it, and we're gonna go through all that. Okay?